Hey FK gang, if you happen to just be browsing and you hear my voice, please like and subscribe, and to all FK gang, welcome back. So today I'm gonna make some 15 bean soup. Never heard that before, huh? It's high in fiber, guys. So here's a bag of beans, and this is, so guys, this is 1 pound of beans. I'm just getting my beans washed. 15 beans. Very high in fiber. So here, guys, I have 10 cups of water, and I just put 3 pieces of soup bone in it. That's beef bone. And here I'm gonna have a handful of garlic. These are small garlic. And some pimento seed. And guys, I'm gonna bring this to a rapid boil. Yeah. And then I'm going to lower the heat and let it boil for an hour and a half. All right. And I'll see you guys then. 10 cups of water, 1 pound of 15 different type of dry beans. All right. See you soon. Okay guys, I'm gonna reduce the heat now that it's boiling to like medium, and let it cook for an hour and a half. All right, stirring occasionally, and I'll see you then. Okay guys, now I'm gonna add some celery and carrots and yam and kombucha squash. I'm gonna be having some veggies now. Some potato. I'm also going to be adding some coconut milk, freshly squeezed coconut milk. I shouldn't say freshly because it was frozen, but I mean it's not from a can. Okay. Okay guys, I already put my dumplings in. Here's my dumplings. This is so nice and thick already. I have to have my dumplings. So now I'm gonna put a bunch, like a handful of thyme and scallion. I beat my scallion. I'm gonna put a piece of bell pepper. This is just for flavor. And this is the end of the white onion. So I'm gonna add some garlic salt, some beef bouillon, some beef masala seasoning. After this, I'm gonna add some coriander, some cumin, some celery seed, just a pinch. Gonna go in with some seasoning salt. I'm gonna touch it up with some Creole seasoning. So the Creole seasoning, the seasoning salt, and the garlic salt all have salt in it. So just season according to your taste bud, okay? I'm gonna let this cook for another half an hour on medium, low E. I'm gonna add a few corns. So to this, I'm gonna add some pumpkin spice mix. So these pumpkin are cooked, the squash, I'm gonna crush them and put it back in the pot. If you check out my past video, soup video, where I use my squash, you'll see exactly what I do, okay? Just to put in a pan with a spoon or a fork and just mash it. And I'll see you guys at the presentation. So my FK gang, here is my 15 bean soup. Yes, you're right about that. It's actually 17, but I think because the kidney bean is red and white, they just call it one. Call it kidney beans. And then the lima beans, it's big and small lima. So it makes it 17, but it's actually so good. OMG. I hope you guys enjoy. There you have it. From Fergie's Kitchen.